Hi guys, do you want to avoid face planting when you're upside down? Then this is the video for you. Illona is going to cover how you can use a strap to correctly align your elbows along with other things that will be really helpful for your inversion practice. This is all part of our super complete course on how to master your head and handstand that is called Upside Down in 30 days. For now, enjoy this video.
Another important alignment for us to understand when we go upside down is what are we doing with the elbows. So the elbows are either going in or either going out. And if they're going out, what happens when we're upside down? We face plant, woohoo! So this is not what we want to do. We want to keep the action of the elbows coming into one another. Is basically what you worked on a little bit already when you did the block exercise, right? So for this particular exercise, you will need a strap, so grab a strap. And if you don't have a strap, you can always go for a belt. What is important for us to have here is a loop. All right, so my strap has a loop. I can close my loop or I can make it bigger. And once you have this, you're gonna bring your hands inside, your arms inside of your strap and aiming to find approximately the width of your shoulders with your strap. Good. When we have this, put it aside, come on your mats and have your forearms being released now. First of all, I want you to understand we can either have the elbows out or the elbows in. When we go into our upside down position or headstand, we want to have the elbows in line with our shoulders as a best way to keep our balance and as well to keep the engagement of the elbows pressing down. But you'll see, we'll come forward, but open shoulder width. Anyway, you'll see more of this in the following video. What I'm more interested in you to understand here is skin in, skin out, right? So if you release the elbows down, if you release your forearm down, press the elbow out and see that the skin is moving in. And if you press the elbow in, you can see that the extra flesh, the extra skin is moving out. We want the skin to move out, all right? Because when we will go upside down, we want the action of elbows coming in together. And therefore, this is how we keep our balance. So we will do this with your strap. So come in your strap once again, allowing the elbows for the straps can go just a little bit behind your elbows. And see that when I have my strap, I actually can't move anymore. So this is a really good tool that you can use if you have this problem where your elbows are always going outside or always going out. So this, you can use it this way. Find your nest. Once again, put your head down and go into your inverted position. Use this tool if you need to. Otherwise, just get down once again into your forearms and then press elbows into one another and then press elbows down and feel, closing down the eyes, feel where the muscle engagement is happening. It's happening in the shoulder, it's happening in the traps, and is ultimately the muscles that you're going to be using when you go upside down. So when you feel those being activated, when you're pressing down with the elbows and into one another, you know you're on the right path for your headstand.
Hi, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're looking to master your head and handstand, we have a super comprehensive course called Upside Down in 30 days that will take you through the alignments and the muscles and everything you need to prepare and protect for these inversions. Click on the link below to check it out. And if you haven't gotten it yet, this is the Play Pause Be deck. This is an amazing tool to help you create your own sequences for your self-practice or for practicing with others. Click on the link below to learn more. Have a great day.